Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Walmart, complete guide step by step clearly. To budget with Walmart effectively, start by assessing your overall financial situation. Gather all your sources of income and list them clearly. Next, outline your fixed expenses, such as rent, utilities, and insurance. Identify variable expenses that can fluctuate each month, like groceries and entertainment. Create a list of the items you frequently purchase at Walmart. Determine the average cost of these items based on your past purchases. Set a target budget for your groceries and household supplies. Consider using Walmart's online shopping tools to keep track of prices. Create a shopping list based on your budget and stick to it. Use Walmart's app to find current deals and promotions. Take advantage of Walmart's weekly ads to plan your shopping trips. Consider using Walmart's price match policy to ensure you're getting the best deal. Review your budget periodically, ideally at the end of each month. Adjust your spending categories based on your findings. Look for ways to reduce costs, such as choosing generic brands. Utilize Walmart's Savings Catcher or similar programs to maximize your savings. Set aside a portion of your savings for future purchases through Walmart. Incorporate any additional income into your overall budget. Make budgeting a regular part of your financial habits. Over time, you'll gain better control over your spending with Walmart. Remember, successful budgeting requires discipline and regular review. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.